Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable globally the Telerik AJAX MCP server for all of your Visual Studio projects. Just before we begin, let me show the prerequisites. Probably the most important one is to have a DevCraft or AJAX license with subscription. Let me show you the differences. They are explained on this page. Perpetual versus subscription licenses. You can see that all the AI features and functionality is available in the subscription licenses. How to distinguish whether your personal license has a subscription or it is a perpetual one. If it's with subscription, you will have this keyword inside the license name when you go inside your licenses page under your telerik.com account. So if you have a subscription, you will be able to use the MCP server. Otherwise, it's a perpetual and you have to contact our sales team. Going back to the MCP server's prerequisites. The second prerequisite is to have a compatible MCP client like Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code. The current video covers the Visual Studio Code installation. So once you have completed the first and second prerequisites, we can go to the creation of the .mcp.json file inside the user profile directory. So I already have the file, but it's empty. I will load it in Visual Studio Code Editor and also copy the JSON snippet from the documentation inside it. I'm saving it with Ctrl+S and closing the file. And we should also make sure that our Telerik license is downloaded from this page. And also, let me cut it from here and paste it inside your username AppData Roaming Telerik folder. The shortcut is go inside this folder is update.telerik. So here my subscription key is available and the MCP server will look for it. By having all of these prerequisites, now we can create a Visual Studio project and enable the MCP server. New project. I will create a blank one. I already have the license key. Of course, you can use the wizard to deploy your personal license key. Right now, the Visual Studio extensions are creating the sample project. And here we have Copilot Chat. And to enable the MCP, we should make sure that both checks are enabled for the Telerik MCP so that we can use it. Here there are some extra instructions. As before, running all tools, run all tools automatically, run all tools automatically, this session only. My default option is run all tools automatically. And to be able to use it inside this project, we should type Telerik AJAX-assistant. And to ask your question, create a page with RadGrid, bind to a dummy data source. Enter. Look, running Telerik AJAX-assistant, so Copilot is using it. Create the page. As you can see here in the solution, the MCP is used globally. It's not added to the solution file, so we're using it globally, which was the purposes of this video to show. And here we go, we have the RadGrid page and code behind page with the NeedDataSource event, which is the correct one when using the grid. So that's all. I hope you'll find this video useful and looking forward for any new videos. Thank you.